Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so two questions were left. Okay, so what that question says, question 8. In the adjoining figure, the figure is given to us, and they have said us that this AP upon CP, AP upon CP, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon PD. This is given to us. Okay, so two sides has been given to us from this condition. Okay, and second thing, you can see these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so AP and this PB, can you see AP and PB, two sides are given and the angle between them. So here it is SAS test of similarity. We can prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, so this given condition written as it is, and second, angle APB is equal to angle CPB. Okay, so these angles are congruent, vertically opposite angles. So by SAS test of similarity, these two triangles are similar. Okay, ये बहुत easy question था. If you have written question 8, write D in the chat. So I will take question 9. Okay, now question number 9. In the adjoining figure, angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. Okay, and we have to prove this. CA square equal to CB multiplied by CD. Okay, so just see here, I will make two triangles A, B, C, and one triangle is like this, such that these two angles are equal, C, P, A. Okay, so you will see here, you can see this C is common angle, and this angle is given to us that they are equal. Okay, that is the given condition. So can you see here? In triangle ABC, or you can say BAC, whatever, and triangle ADC. Okay, triangle BAC and ADC. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. That is given to us. Okay, and second, we have to find, and you can see in both the triangles, C is common. Okay, so common angle. So by AA test, triangles are similar. Okay, by AA test, triangles are similar. Now see, we need CA. So I have selected CA here. CA. So from this triangle, I have to select a dot and such angle. So here it is CD. Here it was CA. So CA upon CD is equal to, I need CB. Okay, CB lag raha hai. So I will take CB from here. So one dot and this such angle. Dot and such angle. So CB upon AC. Okay, CB upon CA. Now CA into CA, CA square, and this CB multiplied by CD. क्वेश्चन क्लियर है आपको? सॉल्यूशन क्लियर है? राइट इन द चैट. Write question number 9 till that. Exercise is over. Okay, this theorem will be your homework. I will explain it here to you. ठीक है, लिखने का काम बाद में करना. Okay. Okay, whatever it is written on page number 13, 23. Page number 23. You have to write as it is, but not now. After the lecture, okay? मतलब after school gets over. Okay, so see, given theorem is there, a theorem, then given, then to prove. So I will read it once. When two triangles are similar, so they have given us triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. Okay, the ratio of the areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. मतलब तो प्रूव क्या करना है? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So like AB square, if I take here AB, here it will be PQ, a सबका square, or you can say BC square upon QR और AC square upon PR square. Okay, ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Just pay attention on board. Don't write. I want to rub this question 9. Is it over?
Yes, sir,
Right,
written.
D. Okay. So we know one formula. If I take, okay, if I take area of triangle ए बी, ये लिखो मत आप, ठीक है, ये मैं शॉर्ट में लिख रहा हूँ. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी विल बी इक्वल टू अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी पी क्यू आर, राइट, एंड दिस symbol is given. Okay, so product of their bases and corresponding heights, right? So tell me, what should I write?
BC into AD upon QR into PS.
Very good. BC into AD upon QR into PS. Corresponding bases and heights. Okay, product. ये हमें मिला है and they have said this as equation 1. Okay. Now इसको ऐसे ओपन करके लिखा है बस, ठीक है, ऐसे ओपन किया है लाइक दिस, ठीक है ना. Now come to exercise. Leave nearly 1 or 1.5 page of this, and we will start with exercise. Okay, so what is that? First question. The ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangle is 3:5. Find the ratios of their areas. Okay, so we have been given ratio as 3:5. So let the corresponding that is 3:5 na? B, B1 and B2. These are the sides we have taken. So therefore 3:5 na? So B1 is to B2 equal to 3:5. Okay, and we have to find the ratio of areas of triangles. What it will be? It will be B1 square by B2 square. Okay, B1 square by B2 square. So just put the value and the reason. Theorem of, what was that theorem of areas of
Similar triangles.
similar triangles. Okay, and we are done. So 3 square by 5 square, that is 9 by 25. Okay, therefore ratio of equal to 9:25. Question over. Question number 1. X 1.4. Okay. Question number 2. You write in the textbook right now. Question number 2. You write in the textbook. Syllabus is lagging. That's why I'm taking it. If done, write D in the chat. So we have been given this is given.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
Wait. It is AB square by box. What will come here? AB square by
PQ square.
AB then PQ square, and the values are 2 by 3. So 2 square by 3 square, that is 4 by 9.
4/9.
So fill the boxes and question over. Question number 3. Write this. If done, write D. Okay. Question 3. Write in textbook. So ABC is given, area of ABC is 80 and triangle PQR is 125. Okay. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 80 by 125. Okay, so 516 is a 525. Okay, 516 is a 5 125. ये नहीं दिया है ना, इसको करो वहां पे सॉल्व करो.
4/5.
4 by 5, right? So that will become AB square by PQ square is equal to 16 by 25. So taking square root, you will get AB by PQ is equal to 4 by 5. So these are the answers. This is the solution. Okay.
So in classwork we have to solve this.
You can write this later on. Okay. अभी टेक्स्ट बुक में लिख दो.
Sir, please wait 2 minutes.
टेक्स्ट बुक में बॉक्सेस में लिखना है बस. डू इट फास्ट. Till that I will write the question next. Condition D है 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16. This is given to us.
Sir, we can do question number 7 in the textbook.
हाँ यस. अभी 4 करो अभी. ओके. इसको सॉल्व करो. Therefore, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is 16 by 9, right? It is 16. Okay. And they have said triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. So if these two triangles are similar, then what we can say? The ratio of the areas of triangle is proportional to the square of their sides. Therefore, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equal to, we have to find MN from this triangle. We have to find MN. So I am writing its square, and from this they have given us they have given us QR as 20. क्वेश्चन लिखना, क्वेश्चन में वैल्यू दी है QR as 20. So write here QR square. Okay. Now just substitute the value from here. Okay. From here put that value 16 by 9, 20 square by mn square. Okay. Got this? So taking, acha, reason. Say me the reason. Theorem of
Areas of similar triangles.
Areas of similar triangles. Okay. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. So done. Now taking square root on both sides. So this comes root of 16 by 9 is equal to root of 20 by mn square. Okay. This root and square will get cancelled. हाँ, ये आपको आइडिया है ना? If a square by a by b whole square, ठीक है, वही किया है, एक साथ बना के लिखा है. ओके. So taking square root, 16's root is 4 and this is 3, this is 20, this is mn. So mn equal to 20 into 3 by 4. Okay, 20 into 3 by 4. Ones fives are. Mn is equal to 15. Check the answer. Check the answer at the last. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Okay. If done, write D in the chat. Done? Okay. Now let's see question number 5. We will not take complete. We will just write the given parts. Do it fast. Write D if done. Okay.
सर कॉपी
Next
क्वेश्चन
question.
नंबर 5.
हाँ, नहीं अभी क्वेश्चन कॉपी बाद में करो ना. सॉल्यूशन देखो. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. So two triangles they have given. There is no ABC PQR. So what we will do? Let the corresponding sides of bigger and smaller triangles be B1 and B2. Okay. So area of bigger triangle upon area of smaller triangle. Tell me, should I write b1 by b2 square or b2 by b1 whole square? See here,
B1 by
and
B2.
respectively लिखो. हाँ, respectively important है. हाँ, so bigger I am taking b1, smaller I am taking b2. ठीक है, bigger लिखा पहले और b1 respectively, smaller b2. so bigger ऊपर आएगा, so b1 by b2 square. Okay, and they have given us side of a smaller triangle. So they have given us b1 or b2. Which one?
B2.
B2.
b2 ना, b2. तो b2 की वैल्यू 12 दी है. ओके, तो जस्ट सॉल्व इट नाउ. तो देयरफॉर ओके, सॉल्व हो जा रहा है. तो 225 बाय 81, b1 स्क्वायर बाय 12 स्क्वायर. ओके, 225. अब क्या करना, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड. अच्छा, रीजन यहाँ रीजन, थ्योरम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. ओके, हाँ, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स. हाँ, रूट 225 बाय 81, b1 स्क्वायर बाय 12 स्क्वायर. ओके, b1 स्क्वायर बाय 12
15 by
स्क्वायर,
9 is equal to
15 by 9 is equal to b1 by 12. So b1 is equal to 15 into 12 by 9. 3 5s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 4s are. Take the answer. b1 equal to unit centimeter. Okay, at last write the statement. The length of the corresponding side of it was bigger, no? Of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter. Got it? Write in the chat. We have completed so many questions today, and only 2 questions are left. Okay, and I guess this was the last lecture of geometry of this week, right? कल lecture है क्या geometry का?
No, sir.
no.
Okay, so what we'll do, only 2 questions are left, and our chapter is pending for that. So inshallah I will solve it on board and just put in the group. Okay, और कल अगर ज्योमेट्री, कल फिजिक्स लेक्चर से पहले अगर नहीं समझा तो डिस्कस कर दूंगा. ठीक है, सो दैट आवर
Yes,
वन
sir.
चैप्टर गेट्स ओवर. ओके, सो विल स्टॉप हियर, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 आप टेक्स्ट बुक में ही लिख देना. ओके, इंशाल्लाह विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़ ऑल ऑफ यू.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
In the P copy.
हाँ, you copy and then you can go. Okay.